Shortly, you will be using your irons, both the big one and the little hobby iron, to install fabric and smooth wrinkles. It's time now to prepare them for use. You will need some silicone heatsink compound, a polyfiber thermometer, and your 2 irons. Be sure to read the section in your manual on calibrating your irons on pages 13 and 14. Put a piece of tape on the iron's temperature control so you can mark the calibrated temperatures. You'll be calibrating the irons for 225, 250, and 350 degrees. First, place some heatsink compound on the iron, put the thermometer bulb in the heatsink compound, and place both on a stack of paper towels. Advance the heat control and watch the thermometer. When the iron stabilizes at 225 degrees, mark the iron. Do the same for 250 and 350 degrees, then do it all over again with the little hobby iron. You must calibrate your irons. Using a carefully calibrated iron is the only way you can be sure to control the temperature transferred to your fabric. Period. After the iron has cooled, be sure to clean the silicone heatsink from the bottom of the iron. The iron should be recalibrated whenever it is accidentally dropped, or if you're working in an area where you have a different extension cord arrangement from the one you were using when the iron was first calibrated.